Pitas jadi escort untuk menghantar bantuan makanan dan juga some medical supplies kepada yang terputus. Sudah seminggu diorang stuck di kawasan di dalam perbatasan tuh, yang mana kampung diorang berdekatan dengan sungai Javi-Javi yang connected sama sungai Bengkoka. Ada lebih daripada 20 orang kami punya tim, terdiri daripada reach out NGO, 4x4 clubs, apa lagi ya? PBSM KK. Tapi kami jalan duluan, sebab yang lain masih loading barang di some areas. We were told that the road is impossible in Kota Belud, jadi kami akan ikut route lain. Dari Kutoran kami akan ikut apa tuh? Jalan Ranau, through yang Kota Marudu kah? Ranau Kota Marudu. Marak. Kita akan tengoklah macam mana keadaan. Beberapa kawasan yang di kawasan tinggi sedikit sudah start surut, but ada a few houses yang masih lagi nampak nak tenggelam lah. Tapi ada beberapa juga kawasan yang kering sudah.
Hai, perjalanan kita nyari terlalu mencabar. Tempat yang dituju ada 1 jam lagi. Masalah aja sekarang ini jalan raya, beli tahan juga.
Sekarang mau naik bukit.
Naik bukit sudah, tiap telur boleh kayak itu.
Iyalah. Kenapa kau berhenti nih?
Apa dia berhenti itu, lori stop sudah.
Jadi
Tunggu dulu lah. Oke, saya keluar dulu tengok keadaan.
Okay, the lorry I think stuck over there because I'm not sure if the road is okay or slippery, so we don't know. We are going to see what happened. I think the road is too slippery, so the 4x4 people is going to tarik the lorry there. Ambil video. Kami pun bukan four-wheel tuh, tidak tahu, tapi tidak berat lah, itu yang berat. Boleh sampai di mana saja. Let's see. Okay, the lorry stuck here, so the four-wheel team will tarik, and we are lucky all these boys are here with the experience. Ramai kan orang juga. Jauh lagi kan?
Keberatan dan licin lagi, no traction, so pakai 2 kereta, no problem lah. Should be alright.
Trying to reach a kampung called Andab, which is about halfway point between all the other kampungs.
Okay.
So if we can reach there, we'll drop off all the supplies, and then all the kampungs already have representatives, about 100 people waiting in Andap to hand carry, walk to their kampung or use rafts to bring the supplies back to their kampung.
So what happened to the car, the lorry?
It's very heavy. I'm not quite sure how many tons it's carrying, but they can't drive on these roads. So the four-wheel drive club boys, they're going to pull it up. And we tried with one car, couldn't. So now they're going to try with two cars. and
Okay,
pull it up.
how many families or people affected in this kampong?
There's about 250 kampungs. But my worry is there are 16 children, babies below 1 year old. That's my worry as well.
All right, thank you.
Okay, apparently our lorry with I think 4 ton of rice stuck sana bawah because the road is too slippery. Nasipag it's not raining. But yeah, the road is too slippery and sorry, I'm so tired because I have to run from down there to here to take videos of the process. So the 4x4 boys are going to pull the lorry up so that the orang kampung can lead us to the connecting road.
We have reached our destination finally. 10 vehicles and all the people here waiting, gotong royong, carrying the eggs. This is a landslide, one of the landslides which have blocked the communication with this kampung people. This is apparently a small landslide. There's one big one further up, but we can't get through.
Tanggal di sini. Kalau yang dulu lah. Begitu yang kamera type itu yang tidak boleh. Jadi kami yang di sebelah sana lagi. Apa kali itu? Jalan itu.
Dia yang lagi besar. Mau 30 kali gandanin besar dia. Kalau siang sedikit batu tadi kan.
Cakap-cakap satu kali lagi Mai. Ini apa kau bilang tadi?
Masih kecil lagi.
Yang lagi besar di mana kau bilang?
Di depan sedikit. Lebih kurang 150 meter.
Oh, berapa besar punya tanah runtuh tuh?
Lebih kurang 2 ekar.
Ini dengan itu tiang elektron atau
2 ekar lebih lah. Runtuh.
2 ekar lebih ya, dia punya runtuh.
Di jalan raya semua kayu.
Oke. Terima kasih ya.